Typical day at school. My name is Lucas. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I don't feel sleepy, so I get out of bed quickly. I eat breakfast with my family. My mom cooks eggs and toast. She doesn't rush, she takes her time. After breakfast, I pack my backpack. My friend waits for me at the gate. He doesn't forget his books or homework. Sometimes he arrives early, sometimes he doesn't. Today, he arrives right on time. We walk to school together. He rides his bike sometimes, but today he doesn't. He says he can't ride his bike because the tire is flat. When we get to school, we see Maria. She studies hard every day. She doesn't miss classes, and she always helps her classmates.
Does she like math?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't she find it difficult?
No, she doesn't. Our teacher arrives and rings the bell. We don't talk during class.
Do you pay attention?
Yes, we do. Sometimes we get tired, but we don't give up. At break time, the boys play soccer on the school court. They don't stay in the classroom.
Are they loud?
Yes, they are.
Don't they get tired?
Yes, they do, but they still play. I sit with my friend and eat a snack. I don't eat candy before lunch. My friend drinks juice. It tastes sweet, but not too sweet. After the break, we return to class. He doesn't talk much, but I do.
Does he like to speak in class?
Sometimes he does.
Don't you sometimes speak too much?
Yes, I do. The day ends at 12:30. We don't feel tired yet. We walk home slowly.
Does your friend do his homework as soon as he gets home?
Yes, he does. I usually wait until the evening. School isn't always easy, but it is part of our lives. We don't complain much.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, we do.
Isn't it important?
Yes, it is.
Like and subscribe to the channel.